The reason that Curtis Gauthreaux has been nominated is that obviously everybody knows Curtis has been here a long time. So he's been here 30 years in the school district, but he also has been the go-to technician in the maintenance department to take care of everything from grounds to heavy equipment, any kind of playground repairs, dirt work. If we have to do a locate on a water line, a gas line, I mean, Curtis is our heavy equipment operator. He is one of the lead coordinators on snow removal. He has tremendous amount of experience and knowledge of the school district. He knows where water lines are, fiber optic lines are buried, gas lines. The principals, principal secretaries, the teachers, they know Curtis, they trust Curtis, he's reliable. And when he shows up at the site, they know he's there to take care of business. He is the reason, and the attributes I've just named are the reasons why we've nominated Curtis Gauthreaux as the Beyond and Above employee for the maintenance department here at Broken Arrow Public Schools.